In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Facebook. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. On this interface, scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Proceed to tap on settings. Then on this interface, you see Meta Account Center. Proceed to tap on it. This will land you on an interface like this. Scroll down until you locate personal details and tap on it. Then you have a list of menus under personal details. You have the contact info, date of birth. Since we want to change our age, all we have to do is to tap on the date of birth. Then proceed to tap on edit beside the date of birth. So you land on an interface like this. You have the option to tap on this and make the necessary changes that you want to make. Then after which you can proceed to tap on set. And that is it. You have successfully changed your age on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.